Okay, here we have another question that I was sent in to answer. Okay, so this was taken from an Edexcel paper, November 2011, if I remember correctly. So the question is, complete the table of values for 3x plus 2y equals 6. And we're given a few values already completed for us. It wants us to find these three boxes. Okay, so let's start with the first box. So it gives us that x equals minus 2, and we're asked to find y. So let's plug it into the formula. So 3x plus 2y equals 6. So we can do 3 minus 2 plus 2y equals 6. So we find that minus 6 plus 2y equals 6. So this shows us that 2y must equal 12, therefore y equals 6. You can plug that in there. And then you look at 1, so you do 3, 1 plus 2y equals 6, so you find that 3 plus 2y equals 6, that 2y equals 3, therefore y equals 1.5. If you do the same for when x equals 2, you find that 2 plus 2y equals 6. You find that 6 plus 2y equals 6, therefore 2y equals 0, so y equals 0. Now you should have noticed this already. If you haven't, well, you can see that how these go down by 1.5 every time. So when the x value increases by 1, the y value decreases by 1.5. Now the next part of the question was to draw the graph of 3x plus 2y equals 6. Now, I've taken the time to draw out a graph here. So, using the values that we worked out here, we can draw this graph now. So, when we find that when x is minus 2, we find that y equals 6. So, if you go along on the x-axis and go up to 6, you can plot x there. Now, it'd be better if you do this in pencil, but as it comes out quite faint on camera, I'm going to do this on pen. So the next point is when x equals minus 1, y equals 4.5. So go across, look for 4.5, and here it is. And you go across again, so to 0, 3, 1, 1.5, 2, 0, and 3 minus 1.5. So there. Next, take out your ruler and join the points. As this will be a straight line, you can join this up completely. And there you have the line 3x plus 2y equals 6. Now the final part of this question was to find the gradient of the line 3x plus 2y equals 6. Now to work out the gradient, you have to see the difference in y and the difference in x. So we know that the 2 points where it crosses the axes is 0, 3 and 0, 2. So we can write out them 2 coordinates here. So one coordinate is 3, 0, 3 and 2, 0. Now, to work out the gradient, we apply a formula, which is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now these are the values for this. So x1 is that, y1 is that, x2 is this, y2 is that. And this will give us gradient, which we call m. So if we apply this now, we get 0 minus 3, and we get 2 minus 0. This gives us minus 3 over 2, which is the same as minus 1.5. So we know that the gradient is minus 1.5. And there you go, that will give you 4 marks in that question.